Have you ever wondered how to animate fire? How do you even start drawing or animating such a mysterious and complicated element? Greetings, I'm Mikey Buzan. I'm an independent animator who makes official music videos and tour visuals for a variety of bands. I understand the types of challenges that come with frame-by-frame animation. This course will equip you with the knowledge to solve those challenges. Being able to draw and animate fire is an incredibly useful skill set to have in your tool belt as an artist. Fire is a hypnotic and popular element used in cartoon shows, video games, comics, and films. This course will give clear explanations designed for beginners to understand. You'll learn step-by-step methods for animating flames, fire, sparks, smoke, and designing your own fire shapes. You'll learn how to improvise and animate from imagination, as well as tips for using the rotoscope technique. I animate in TV Paint, but the software doesn't matter. Any animation program that has a timeline and layers will work perfectly. You'll have lifetime access to all course materials, including free updates to any additional content I may add in the future. The Fire Animation course includes 2 hours of video lessons, instant access to 10 videos to stream anytime, anywhere. You can also download the videos to your personal device, a PDF tutorial book to deepen your understanding of fire, PNG sequences of some of the animations used in the course, and a fire animation pack. This pack includes 22 fire-themed animation loops in both 4K and 1080 movie files. These files have transparent backgrounds, so you can easily drag and drop the animation into your own projects. The animation can be used for personal or commercial projects, and the license covers you for YouTube videos, live streams, live performances, and social media posts. This course is aimed at anyone with an interest in deepening their special effects animation knowledge, and learning how to animate fire and invent your own unique fire styles. So, what are you waiting for? Let's ignite that artistic drive and take your fire skills to the next level.